Let's take a quick look at the parts first. This part lets us attach the lock in several possible orientations. This is the part that we will attach to the bike frame. And these parts allow us to get a tighter grip if the bike part that we are using for attaching the system is too thin. This pole is no thick enough, so let's add a grip piece to it. This one seems like a good fit. Now let's attach the bolts and the nuts. It's important to insert them from the right side or you will have problems later on. So make sure the nuts attach to the side of the plastic hexagon holes. Now we can slide in the piece that will hold the lock. Before we tighten the bolts, let's attach the entire lock in order to check that everything fits nicely. Let's test the lock one more time and then take the bike for a test ride to see that the lock is not bothering us while we are driving. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.